Hey guys, this is Tinted. We are learning PHP, and in this part we understand the comparison operator in PHP, right? So let's see the comparison operator. So this is the equal, right? So equal to and equal to but identical, right? It's not equal to, not equal to, and not equal to, not identical, but right? It is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to. This thing we will understand in a PHP, right? So let's see the example. So we have a value x is 10 and y is 5. We know that 10 is not equal to 5 if x is 10, right, and equal to y. We know that 10 is not equal to 5. We know that x is not equal to y. So you know that this will not print, right? So this will goes to print, right? Control S for save, and let's see, this is no, right? We have used this operator which is equal to, right? So if you use a 10, right, this is a 10, 10 is equals to 10, so it will print echo this block here to here. Little bit zoom, so you can see yes, because at this time 10 is equals to a 10, so this block will run, right? But we know that if you use triple equal to, right, it will still shows a yes. But if you convert y as a string, right, so just refresh, it will show it will show no, because this is an integer and this is a string, right. So this is not equal to, but you just remove the one equal to, double equal to, just and save. It is yes, because it will not check data type when you use double equal to, right. And when you use triple equal to, it means it's a condition that both the value should be identical, right. So this one and this one has done, and this is for not equal to, right. So this is not equal to y, so we know that just remove, right. So 10 is equal to 10, but we are saying 10 is not equal to 10, right. So what will we show, right? It is so no, right, because we know that the 10 is equal to 10, but here we are saying 10 is not equal to 10, right. So this operator is called a not equal to, and this is for same, right. Just copy and paste it here, right. Control S for save and say no, the same result, right. And this is a not equal to, but it is identical, right. Just again put it a string, this is string, 10 is equals to 10, but this is a string, this is an integer, right. And we are putting it like this. So this is for identical, you can see double equal to. Control S for save, and it is a yes, because this is 10 is equal to 10, but this is an integer and this is a string, right. So it that should be not equal to, but that should be identical, right. So we have seen this one as well. So this is a greater than and this is a less than, right. So I am using it greater than, right. So put it 5, so 10 is greater than 5. We know that we always know 10 is greater and 5 is less, so it will print yes, you can see yes, right. And for less than, just put it less than, right. So x, it will show a no, right. So 10, we know that 10, x is 10, 10 is less than 5, right. So we know that 10 is greater, right, and 5 is less, so it will show a no. Just refresh the browser and see, this is a no, right. And likewise this one as well, greater less than and less than equal to. Just copy and paste it here. This is greater than equal to, right. Greater than means this one is a greater, means if you use a 10, but 10 is greater and equal to. Control S for save, and it is yes, right. So equal to, maybe two conditions, greater than and equal to, both of is match, it will print this block, right. We will see this if and else condition in a later, but just understand this operators is called a comparison operators, right. And likewise this one as well, just copy and paste it here, right. Control S for save. So x is less than equal to y, so it will show no. So x is yeah, it's so yes, right. You can see Yes, because we know that the 10 is equals to, if you use a 5 it will show a no, right? So now you have understood this comparison operator. It is a more important and you should learn, I think. So this I think this is a this is you need to learn, because every language and every programming language has this operators, and without that we cannot do anything, right? So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if any questions and doubt, you can write a comment, right? So next part I will come with a new thing. Till then, bye, take care.